How to use proxies with Octo Browser. To begin, navigate to the dashboard and locate the plan you wish to use. Once you have selected your desired plan, adjust your country, state, city settings as needed. After making these adjustments, click on the Update Changes button. Next, open the Octo Browser app and click on Quick Profile. Click on Direct, and then select Set a New Proxy. In the type header, choose between SOX5 and HTTP protocols. Return to the proxy generator and choose between rotating and sticky proxies. For sticky proxies, you can set the session duration from 1 to 120 minutes. Copy the full proxy line and paste it into the host field, which will automatically populate the other required fields. Finally, click on Confirm and then press the Play button to run. Unlock lightning fast browsing with LightningProxies, your go-to service for reliable residential proxies.